Hi friends. I've decided that I would like to build something in my construction site. I brought a lot of different size Tupperware with different heights and different shapes. So I have a whole bunch of building supplies, but I just don't know what I want to make yet. Do you have any suggestions or ideas? Wow, those are some good ideas. Do you think that you would like to build with me? You would? I'm so glad. Okay, let's see. We have a lot of different shapes here and a lot of different sizes. I have some that are very small and some that are medium-sized and some that are very large and some. So, what should we start with first? Okay, I'm thinking that I will save the smallest ones to go on top. And I will start with some of these sizes. These are square and they're pretty long. So I'm going to put these on the bottom. I'm going to flip them upside down. I have 1, 2, 3 of these. I think I'm going to line them up in a row. 1, 2, 3. And then I will add some of these longer ones in a nice line, just like that. What do you think it looks like so far? Oh, maybe. I wonder if it's a tower. Maybe I'm going to make a long tower, but I'm not sure yet. Let's see. And then, I have a lot of these round circle shapes. These round circle shapes, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's think. Some of these are the same size, and some of them are bigger. Let's see. These two are about the same size. I think I'm going to put these two on top since they're almost the same size. 1, 2. It's getting pretty tall. This is a pretty tall tower. And I wonder if I can put this one on top. Wow. This tower that I'm building is getting pretty tall. Do you think I should keep going? Me too. I wonder how tall it can get. Maybe it will get so tall you won't even be able to see me behind it. That'd be pretty cool. All right, I will put, I think I'm going to try and put this one. Wow. And then this one. Oh my goodness. And then I think I'll put these little ones, little squares on the side. And then I just have one left, just one circle. I think I'll try and get that one in the middle. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is a really tall tower. Wow. I wonder what would happen. I took off the tall one? Do you think it'll fall apart if I take this one out? Whew, it is still standing. That's some good news. What if I pulled off this one? Do you think it will fall down then? Let's find out. Wow, we didn't knock over our hard work yet. That's a good job. But I'm kind of wondering what will happen if I pull away this one right here. What do you think will happen? Do you think the whole thing will stay standing? Or do you think maybe it will fall down? Okay, let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. I knocked the whole thing down. But I think that's okay because if you make it, you get to decide how to break it. And I spent a long time building that one with your help. So I think it was okay for me to decide it was time for it to come down. All right, I wonder, since I built a very super tall tower, I wonder what I could build next. Let's think. Maybe I could make the round ones go on the bottom first. I could try to build a little house. That's a little house. So that's one house. And then maybe I could build a second house. And then these two houses can be neighbors. And one little circle Tupperware to live in this house. And one little circle Tupperware to live in this house. I wonder if those two circles are friends. Let's see. Hello? Hi, friend. Do you want to go play? Sure. What do you want to do today? I was thinking maybe we could climb on top of our houses. Doesn't that sound fun? I think it could be fun if we're very careful. Come on, follow me. My house isn't as tall as yours, so let's try to climb there first. Come on up. You can do it, friend. Wow, that's pretty tall. Follow me. Wow, this is so cool. I can see my house from here. Should we try to jump over from this house to your house? Okay, that sounds fun. I made it. I'm coming too. Wow, I'm up high. 1, 2, 3. I followed you. Do you want to see what it's like all the way up on top? I can make some room. Okay. Wow, you can see the whole neighborhood. How cool is that? That was so much fun. Thanks for inviting me to do this with you. No problem. I think I'm going to go inside my house now, but I'll play with you later. Okay, that sounds good. Bye, friend. Bye. Well, I think I'm going to go home, too. Wasn't that fun? The two little Tupperwares got to go on a little adventure. I wonder what we could build next. Yeah, we've already built a lot of things with these Tupperware. Hasn't that been fun? We built a really tall tower, and then we built 2 houses for our little Tupperware friends. That was pretty cool. Let's think about what we could build next. I wonder if I could stack a square and round. Let's think. How should I start? Should I put the round Tupperware on the bottom? Or should I put the square Tupperware on the bottom? The square Tupperware? Okay, I'll start with that one first. So first, I will put a square Tupperware. And then what's next? A round one? Okay. And then what should I put next? Another square one, okay. It's not as tall as I thought it would be, but that's okay. What do you think I should put on next? I just put on my square. A circle. Okay. And how about next? Should I put another circle or should I put a square? A square? Okay. Whoa, it's a pretty wiggly tower. Oh no, I only have one left. One circle. Should I put it on top? Oh, right. Wow, that's a wiggly wobbly tower. I'm glad it didn't fall over. I have 2 small circles. Do you think that I should try and fit those up on top? Okay, I'll try. It's so wibbly wobbly. Oh no, let's see. Let's try and put this one back on. Okay, very wibbly wobbly. Whew, I got nervous that that was gonna fall over. Should I try the other one too? Okay, very wibbly wobbly. Whoa. And then I found that I have just one more. Should I try and fit it over and see what happens? Do you think it's going to tumble over because it's so wobbly, or do you think it will stay standing? Standing? Okay, let's find out. Whoa. Let's keep going. I have these 2 rectangles. Let's see if they will help it stand up or make it fall over. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. That was just too many to stack up on top all at once. That was a lot of Tupperware. Whew. Well, that certainly did make a big mess. And when I'm all done with my container and Tupperware, I like to put them away just like I put away my blocks. So, I am going to stack up my containers. I have 1 square, so I'm going to put that with another square. Do I have any more squares? No, that's a circle. Is that a square? Similar, but this is a rectangle. Is this a square? There we go. And then let's see. I have 1 rectangle and 2 rectangles. Perfect. And then I have my circles. Oops. There we go. Now all my shapes are put together. Thanks for playing with me. It was so much fun to build with you. See you next time.